Welcome to Alley Picked, and today's quick tip. For today's quick tip, I'm going to have to show you my drawers. I've got a bunch of these files that are missing the handles. Now, I'm sure I can buy replacement handles for just a couple of bucks, but I don't have to. I can make it from junk I've got laying around the house. You ready for this? A golf ball. It actually works really well. Takes about 10 minutes. Let me show you how I did it. You need a drill, a golf ball, 1/2 inch drill bit, a 1/4 inch drill bit, a 3/8 nut. I'm using this nut with the added nylon ring, which helps resist loosening. And finally, a vise. Secure the ball firmly into the vise. Using the 1/4 inch drill bit, drill a hole about 1/4 inch away from the end of the ball. Don't drill the hole all the way through. I use this green tape as a stopping guide. Using the 1/2 inch drill bit, drill to a depth as thick as the nut. Here's what it should look like when you're finished with this step. The nut doesn't appear to fit in the hole. However, it will when I press it in using the vise. You can also add some adhesive or epoxy if you really want to secure the nut even stronger. This is the finished product. Now take a file, slide it in, give it a smack, and voila! Should be tight, but not so tight that you're going to need Hercules to remove it. So I guess you can file this under cool stuff made from junk. Thanks for watching Alley Picked and today's quick tip.